come against me, because I ain't gonna come against you. And I ain't gonna try to hurt you. You feel me? Like, so if you try to come against me or hurt me, yeah, I'm gonna stand 10 toes. Nigga. You feel me? And my thing be, man, if you feel you could do this shit better, do it. Like, everybody got lives, nigga, go live. If you feel like you can bring everybody together like I'm doing, do it. I'm not gonna stop you. I'm gonna commend you. It ain't hard to go live. It ain't hard to start a YouTube channel. It ain't hard to do none of that. Just do it. Stop trying to cloud up off me. I put too much work in. This shit ain't gonna work, man. I got real ancestral protection around me, man. None of them lies, which is a form of low vibrational magic. When you lie on somebody, that's magic. That's white magic. And it's crazy to me, y'all, because I'll teach you motherfuckers something, and they'll come and try to use it against me. That's why I say that shit naive to being like, I got people come to me like, Shad, be my teacher. Then go live and proclaim me to be a false teacher. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Nigga take a whole lecture that I didn't put out there and rock it on words. And use it against, like, come on, that shit ain't gonna work. Then you tell them the camera around and look at their house, they ass sleeping on air mattresses. And you wonder why. Listen, when you vibrating high, it's gonna show around your whole life. You ain't a lot of and all that shit because you vibrating high. You ain't gotta sell out to have that. That's energy, nigga. It's called vibrating on a frequency, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a fact. The motherfuckers that be talking like that, they don't have shit going in their life. They not doing shit for us. They not even doing shit for themselves but getting on the internet all day. They can't show you nothing else outside of what they saying in the comment. Now, show us your life. You behind the camera. Show us what you've accomplished behind what your comment is. You know what I'm saying? They can't show you nothing. They will have a bunch of excuses and reasons why. Man, we not listening to following nobody that ain't living this shit. You feel me? Nigga ain't never been through nothing. You feel me? We not listening to nobody that ain't living this shit. You feel me? Come on, man. It ain't been a celebrity whose name I ain't say. I ain't been some shit I ain't never exposed. I exposed everybody, everything to you. Put my own life on the line to do it. You know how quickly we forget, you ungrateful bitches. Ungrateful little bastards. You see what I'm saying? Ungrateful little bastards. That's exactly how I look at them. And I be like, that's exactly why you where you at in life. You represent that energy on the planet that's being eradicated. That shit ain't gonna make it through. Like I've been saying, anything vibrating low and anything without a soul gonna be completely eradicated as the planet continues to rise in frequency, bro. That's what the motherfucker gotta understand. You feel me? I am a divine messenger, man. I'm not no mortal walking the planet. When you gonna realize that? Oh, I get it. You hope for something happen to me so then you can act like you realize that and go take all the lectures and re-rock them, take my images and put them on shirts and try to make y'all a little money and all that smooth shit. You feel me? Come on, man. You ain't gonna put your life on the line for us, though. You ain't gonna put your life on the line for your damn self. You feel me? It'd be like a lot of ignorance amongst us, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It'd be silly shit. That's why when the OG got on the round table and he was like, yeah, man, you know, I be seeing motherfuckers be all in your live and they're at your live and talk shit. Man, listen, like I told OG, I'm well aware of that. You know what I'm saying? That shit been going on since Facebook. And all them people that talk shit about me on Facebook, when I went back and checked on them a few weeks ago, look how they living. Niggas still getting views. Niggas still getting nobody listening to shit you gotta say because your spirit ain't right. My bad. I gotta come back around because your spirit ain't right. You feel me? I let my baby mama concocted all them lies against me and turn around and get her goofy ass locked up. Right. You sending out negative energy. Go look at you still over there with my son and all them, if he my son, because you said he wasn't. Y'all ass on the air mattresses and still he's over there with motherfucking spaghetti stains on their shirts. Not my kids, not my wife. We ain't worried about nothing over this bitch. I'm walking in my purpose, man. That's the lesson, y'all. Let my life be a lesson of how it is for you when you walk in your purpose, man. Can't nothing stop that. I got answers with me, man. It ain't nothing that nobody can do. You know what I'm saying? You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing with me. I can't be fucked with, nigga. You feel me? You can't do nothing but stand back and be a witness to this revolution, nigga. That's all you can do. Join us and get the fuck out the way. Police, CIA, FBI, any motherfucker, nigga. Cause unlike y'all bitch ass, I don't just be talking to my people. You niggas will get on here and y'all back and forth with me, but you ain't gonna say shit to 12, nigga. You's a pussy like your mama that raised you, boy. Your mama raised the whole bitch. These whole bitches out here. You feel me? I ain't trying to hear shit about your daddy when in your life. My daddy went in my life neither. Them excuses, nigga. You feel me? But look, what it say on my police reports? Oh, he told us he anti-police. And all right, I have to be on the same energy with they ass. You feel me? I'm only rah-rah with my own bitch made niggas. Y'all just like these rappers out here, nigga. I don't know why y'all following me, folk. I don't even know why y'all watching the university, nigga. You know what I'm on. Straight Fred Hampton revolutionary Asada Shakur energy with me, nigga. So I'm on that. You think I'm worried about you? I'm not worried about you, fam. I'ma still throw these rallies. You think I don't know when I throw these rallies? You motherfuckers could be paid off by the government and try to pull up and hurt me and my family. They did it to Malcolm, nigga. Killed me in front of his family, nigga. Me being with my family white, that don't mean shit. You think I don't know that? You think I don't understand that? And I still move fearless, nigga. I still go everywhere I need to go on this planet and enlighten and inform every motherfucking day. You feel me? Puss ass niggas ain't gonna do shit but try to snap like they do all the greats. You ain't gonna approach me with this shit. You ain't gonna say let's meet here and rendezvous. You ain't gonna say that. Nigga, the government ain't gonna say that, nigga. They gonna falsify documents, falsify allegations like news bitch ass, nigga. You feel me? That's how it go. Motherfuckers fear, listen, man. You know what people fear? A motherfucker that don't fear shit. Motherfuckers fear that energy. Like, man, this motherfucker don't fear shit. He can't talking like that. Yeah, what's the fear, nigga? Who is that? Never heard of him. I don't even know who that is. When you get to talk about Zeus, he's a fear and all that envy and all that's his shit. I ain't got nothing to do with that. You feel me? I ain't got nothing to do with that. I don't honor or respect that. I don't honor or respect nobody that's out there hurt our people or hurt the planet or hurt nature. How you gonna try to hurt me and I'm here helping nature, our people and everything, and all you can say is you can find something to nitpick. You's a smoothie. You feel me? You's a smoothie. But you will still be in these motherfucking lives, though. Niggas will still be sharing views and running. You know how many motherfuckers making monetizing my content and I don't even trip. That's why God asked me last night, how you feel about people monetize? Well, motherfuckers be saying my name, getting all the views. I could Cardi B y'all ass and be defamation, but I ain't fake like her. See what I'm saying? I ain't fake like that. Say what you gotta say. That shit don't stop. I feel like you entitled to your own opinion. I ain't gonna take you to court for that. I'm not fucking with them people at all. If I take you to court, I fuck with them people. That's the puss and police ass shit to bring you in court on anything. You can threaten my life. I ain't bringing you to court, nigga. You feel me? Fuck, I'm getting them involved for. Police ass activity. All the way around the board. I don't even like Tasha K, but I wouldn't take her ass to court. I don't like the shit. To me, she only speak negative energy. There's no lessons there. You know what I'm saying? I don't like what she teach. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that energy. But guess what? She can make a live about me right now. I bet you I wouldn't take her to court. One thing I'm not going to do, I know at the end of the day, you could be vibrating low, but if you got carbon in your skin, you might kill my people. You just my badass little brother that don't know how to listen, or my badass little sister who hasn't found her way yet. So because we family, I'm not turning to the oppressors on you for nothing, nigga. That's the type of loyalty I got. Fuck is you talking about? Niggas ain't loyal to nothing. Motherfucker gonna run to the police, to the court system over every little thing. You feel me? For go run right to court. I feel the same way about motherfuckers saying, oh, take her to court. For what? Who? Court? Man, you house Negroes be killing me. I'd rather you, at least I could respect the people that's not woke more than the fake woke people. Cause at least they letting it be, look, I don't know what the fuck you talking about. I believe in Jesus. I don't believe in none of the other shit you talk about. So fuck what you talking about. I respect that because they kept it real over rich. I can't respect the motherfucker trying to grow their locks out or try to walk in their divinity, but then you only picking and choosing what sides you gonna walk in. You know what I'm saying? Either you on your journey or you not. Fuck you mean? How you gonna call yourself a goddess and you still got weave? You got weave in your motherfucking head, no goddess. I said it. Fuck. fuck you mean? You got weave, you got fake nails, fake